with the vision bright, skills to empower futures light. In Kenya schools we're on the rise, our dream takes flight to new heights. Oh, we're climbing step by step, building future strong and set. CBET, changing lives anew. In CBET, watch us break through.
This opportunity to introduce ourselves to Java programming. In CBET training, we have the computer fundamentals of computer programming, which is a unit that is supposed to be taught to level 6. And because of that, this lecture I would just wish to introduce briefly what Java programming language is all about. In other words, in our presentation, I will just briefly introduce the Java programming language. I briefly look at the history of Java programming, and of course, the history in this case is that Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language that was originally developed by Sun Microsystems, which was later acquired by Oracle Corporation. And the history of Java programming language can be divided into several key phases. Now, the first phase was the early development, which was between 1991 and 1995. Origins, Java was created by James Gosling in 1991. The original language was called Oak, which was named after an oak tree outside Gosling office. Then later on, there was a switch to Java. The name Oak was changed to Java in 1995 due to trademark issues, and the new name was inspired by Java Coffee, a popular choice among the development team. Then, what was the purpose of Java programming? Initially, Java was developed as a platform-independent language that could be run on any device. And this principle of write once, run anywhere, or whora, became a core aspect of Java design. And hence we normally say that Java is platform-independent. You use it in so many devices, so this is where the characteristic come from. In other words, the purpose initially Java was to develop. Initially, we had problems with programming languages being developed in some machines, and then once they are transferred to another, they don't, or even to other devices. So the main purpose of Java here was to try and solve this problem. And it was developed as a platform-independent language that could be run on any device. And this is the principle of write once, run anywhere, whora, which became a core aspect of Java design. Then we come now to the features of Java programming. Java programming is a widely used object-oriented language known for several key characteristics that make it popular for developing scalable, secure, and portable applications. And here are the main characteristics of Java. Number one, it is object-oriented. Java follows the object-oriented programming paradigm, emphasizing objects and classes. Core concepts of Java include inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction, which make code more modular, flexible, and maintainable. Then the other feature of Java is what we call platform independent. Write once, run anywhere. Java achieves platform independence through the use of Java Virtual Machine. Once compiled, Java code is converted into bytecode, which can be executed on any system that has Java virtual machine, regardless of the underlying architecture. Then feature number 3 is Java is simple and familiar. Java is designed to be easy to learn and use, especially for developers familiar with C or C++. Its syntax is cleaner and eliminates many complexities present in C++, like pointers and operator overloading. The other feature of Java is it is robust. Java emphasizes high error checking and runtime checking, reducing the chances of crashes. It has strong memory management features. In other words, automatic garbage correction, exception handling, and type checking, making it more reliable for large, complex applications. Then feature number 5 is that Java is secure. Security features are embedded in the design of Java. It uses the Java sandbox model to run code with limited access and includes security mechanisms such as bytecode verification, cryptography, and public key infrastructure. Feature number 6 is that Java is multi-threaded. Java supports multi-threading at the language level, allowing concurrent execution of 2 or more threads. Of course, you have learned in operating system when it comes to programs, we have threads. We shall look at more details when it comes to dealing with operating systems. This is essential for building efficient, responsive applications, particularly in network and graphical applications. Feature number 7 is that Java is portable. Java programs are portable because they don't depend on system-specific implementations. Java compilers and the Java virtual machine ensure that Java applications can run on any platform that supports the Java virtual machine, maintaining consistent behavior across devices and systems. Feature number 8 is that Java is high performance with Java virtual machine optimization. Although Java is an interpreted language that is executed by the Java virtual machine, more than just-in-time compilation and optimizations in the Java virtual machine make Java relatively high-performing, even when compared to compiled languages like C and C++. And then feature number 9 is that Java is dynamic and extensible. Java can adapt to an evolving environment. It dynamically loads classes during runtime and supports dynamic linking and reflection, allowing for flexibility and extensibility. Then feature number 10 is that Java is rich standard library, or it has rich standard library. Java comes with an extensive standard library, Java API, providing pre-built classes for tasks such as networking, data structures, file handling, and graphic user interface development. This allows developers to build complex applications with less effort. Then feature number 11 is that Java is distributed. Java supports networking and distributed computing. It has built-in libraries like RMI, remote method invocation, and support the web services, enabling applications to interact with remote systems and be part of distributed environments. These characteristics contribute to Java's widespread adoption across a variety of application domains, including enterprise solutions, mobile applications, for example, Android, web applications, and embedded systems. Having said that, then we look at Java programming environment. In order for us to develop a program in Java, we require an environment that we can use for development of the code. And this is what we are going to look at. So with the Java programming environment, it consists of several key components and tools that work together to develop, compile, and run Java applications. Here, an overview of the important parts of the Java programming environment. Number one is that we shall require what we call Java Development Kit, or in short JDK. Java Development Kit is a core component required for developing Java applications. It contains one, Java compiler, which is Java C, which compiles Java source code into bytecode that can be run by the Java virtual machine, or in other words what we refer to as JVM. Number two, Java Runtime Environment, or JRE. It provides libraries, Java virtual machine, and other components to run Java applications. Then we have the standard Java libraries, pre-built libraries that provide reusable classes and interfaces for common programming tasks in networking, data structures, and math operations. Then, having acquired Java Development Kit, the next thing that we shall address is a few details to do with this environment. We look at Java Runtime Environment, or JRE. The JRE is part of the Java Development Kit that includes the Java virtual machine and the standard libraries needed to run Java applications. It does not include development tools like the compiler or debugger. Java virtual machine, a crucial part of the Java runtime environment that runs Java bytecode, translating it into machine-specific instructions. And then number three is we require what we call Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. After you have already added the component of JDK, then we have the Integrated Development Environment. And an Integrated Development Environment software is that software that provides comprehensive facilities for software development. And the popular Java IDEs will include Eclipse. This is a free and open source IDE with many plugins and tools for Java development. We have IntelliJ IDEA, a feature-rich IDE with powerful code completion, refactoring tools, and integrated testing. And then we have the other IDE as NetBeans, an open source IDE that comes with built-in support for Java development. Then, having said that, I wish to stop there with a brief introduction of Java programming, the history of Java programming, features of Java programming, and of course the Java environment, what is required for us to write a program in Java. We have mentioned that we will require the use of Java Development Kit and its components, and also we shall require to install the Integrated Development Environment, examples of which we have already given. Thank you so much, and continue learning more from Frockel Show.